What is HTML? HTML is, before I start continuing on HTML, please like and subscribe, turn on notification bells so you don't miss the video. Let's continue back to the video. Picture this. You started a construction company and your manager is telling you to build a house. And you realize you're a beginner. You're thinking it's impossible. How can I build an actual house or a shelter, in fact? You decided that before your build, you would design the plan and see what it looks like. And you need all these three ingredient tools. First things first is bricks. Second is concrete. Third is steel or wood, depending on what type of material that you used. And that it was essentially HTML is about. HTML is a program where it allows to write startup code for your web page to display a text in your computer. So, for example, if you want to display a hello world, you would write a regular text inside of a computer or a command line to enter it to say hello world or now the computer display as hello world. It tells computer to write a program. HTML was originally founded by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990 from CERN Group, where he decided to create a simple text language using H1 tag and header tag and a little snippet tool where mainly it prints out a simple web tag. And as time evolves, HTML started to become very popular for web developers in the 1990s, in the 2000s, and where HTML5, originally known as HTML, we all know today, was found in 2008, where mainly includes video content, where it started to add video content, article, anchor tags, and all other links all other features where all other features that HTML includes. Simply put, if you're in your Visual Studio Code and wanted to create a HTML file, just go to create your folders and create a new file which ends with .html. If you already created the .html, then you use your code editor, which is known as Visual Studio Code, and use a shift plus exclamation mark in your arrow keys of your keyboard to display a snippet tool of HTML. Simply put, there are endless options in HTML where you can, of course, edit and configure. So one thing is adding H1 tag and H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, and H6 tag. Those are the tags that you can create as a heading. There's also paragraph text and a URL link, where the A stands for an anchor tag that is used to click links from the original web page. You can even create lists as well. So, for example, you have an unordered list and an ordered list. Ordered lists are lists that has numbers, and unordered lists are lists that has bullet points. Simply put, inline CSS are styles that is used to style out the HTML document, whereas the internal CSS is used to use the header tag with the style element. Simply put, both of them are very handy when it comes to styling out HTML. Not sure how to break a text? Div, spam, and BR got you covered. Div element is where you separate the contents, the block contents on HTML, where the spam tag enables you to separate the lines of the page in HTML, and finally the BR tag is simply put, break the text. There we go. You can even create videos and images from the HTML web frame. So clear an image or a video, MP4 video or ping or any type of image from it and use it to display. How to display is by using an image tag. Most importantly, in HTML, we have forms. Forms can be multiple things. Number one, login, register, payment forms. Using can create one. You have a password, username, date of birth, and many more. You can create a checkbox list where it enables you to tick out the boxes that you need and so many input elements. Also, want to submit, click on a button using a button tag and adding the input field, which helps you to let the users write down keywords, and adding a number tag and adding a checklist. If you enjoyed this quick 5-minute explanation of HTML and want to see more on CSS and JavaScript, please hit a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. This is your voice of Sen. I'll catch you in a bit. Take care and peace.